Yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's me, Vichy Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And this video is on Cloud Payroll, and it's on how you guys can log in into Cloud Payroll. Alright, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you so you guys can successfully log into your Cloud Payroll account. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. But before that, let me explain you what Cloud Payroll is for those people who do not know it. Alright, so I pulled up a little thing about Cloud Payroll which says over here, what is Cloud Payroll software? Payroll management system where you guys can access, operate, and control everything about your payroll, from onboarding employees to ensure compliancy to handle exit process of a remote system, which means it's like a software which pays your employee. So basically that's one feature of it. If you guys need to know more about it, you can always search for it and go to this website to know more about it. But this video is not on that. This video is on how you guys can log in into that. Alright, so let me show you guys the process. You want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Cloud Payroll. After you search for Cloud Payroll, there's going to be this login thing over here at the bottom. You want to click on it. After you click on it, it's going to take you to Cloud Payroll's official page where you guys can log in into your Cloud Payroll account. Once you're over here, you want to enter the username and password of your account. After entering the username and password of the account, you want to click on login, and if the information you typed over here is correct, you should be able to log in into your account. But let's say your username or your password is incorrect, then basically you won't be able to log in into your account. So make sure to double check and enter a correct username and password, and you should be able to log in into your account. And if you guys forgot your password, you can always click on reset my password to recover your Cloud Payroll account's password. So these are the way on how you guys can log in into Cloud Payroll account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day.